We are yard drainage contractors. We're installing a sump pump basin for a French drain system. The reason why we have to put in a sump pump, the gravity system no longer works because we have such a high water table. Right now in Michigan, the lakes are really high. The water tables are really high. We're on a 30-year, we haven't seen them this high in like 30 years. So we're gonna run this drainage system to the sump pump basin. We're gonna lift the water up and over the wall. Now that is a basin that people use and they misuse it. It's for an indoor basin in a crawl space or basement for footer tile. When you're trying to manage yard water with that, it's going to become overwhelmed really quick. It's only, you know, a 26-gallon basin. We are putting in this basin here, this 5-foot basin. It's going to have a huge reservoir. It's not going to become overwhelmed at all. And because of its depth, it will not freeze. For yard drainage contractors, give us a call.